What is going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is something very simple. What we're going to be getting into is a little in-store unboxing. You guys can see on the screen, apparently at my outlet we got a pair of wash pink size 9. I'm going to try and go scoop these. Hopefully they're still there, because if I use the in-store discount, then I get these for like 150 bucks, and if they have the box lid and all that, then that's a really good deal that I can do for members in Hype Labs. Don't forget, we love running those deals, so if I could run these for like 150 for somebody so they could make some profit, that'd be a great thing. But we're going to try and pick those up. We're going to do some basic unboxings for some pairs. We got the Jackie Robinson Air Force One here, so I'm gonna go into depth in this in a little bit. Along with, I have another pair right here, the Thunder Force. So we'll be reviewing a couple nice recent pairs, along with giving y'all a little in-store vlog, and we will be copping some heat, hopefully. But if y'all want more content like this, feel free to check my Instagrams, any of that down below, and also check out my group. Again, I run with my friend. We've added so much lately, and this is just one of the many parts of the group you can use. Don't forget, again, the undermarket deals we do. We're dropping retail lost and found stay in the group for members. So that's one thing that I know a lot of people are interested in. So that's something somebody's gonna win right there. But it's not just gonna be one. There's gonna be a few retail LMFs, so some people are gonna win. That's pretty much it. So I hope to see you all on the wait list or down below in the waiting room. If you're curious, want to learn how to become a better reseller this year, we got you. So see you there. And also, quick interruption, if y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. If we get 200 likes on this video, that'd be great. Just want to mention that really quick. Just if y'all want more in-store content, we had a it was a good day today, I'll say that. And if you're maybe interested in what we offer down below at Hype Labs, you'll see how the group can help you in this video in particular. I mentioned it a couple times, but there's a little free trial link down below if any of y'all are interested in Hype Labs and checking this out, just for people that are exclusive to watching this video. So maybe you haven't seen what we offered, checked it out before, you can try it for 7 days and then see go from there. Maybe if you like the group, because we have a lot to offer if you want to become a better reseller this year. So let's continue. So it's about a 20-minute drive to my outlet. I'm really just gonna get there, as quickly as possible, because that's the goal of this. I want to get that wash pink to run in deals, so I can give somebody a really good price, and they can make some profit from it in the group. But aside from that, I also just want to get this pair to review it in hand. I mean, these just dropped today, so I'm kind of shocked they're there already, but let's go. Jackie Air Force Ones, man, super nice. We'll review shortly. All right, so we're about to drive to the store. We'll see if anything's there. Hoping for the best, but not really expecting too much. Let's see. All right, so we're here, but it is raining hard. So let's hope nobody's here. Since it's raining, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. All right, gang, let's hopefully get some pairs and get wet, I guess, because the rain isn't stopping. Here we are, rainy day. It's right over here. You might be able to see it. It's right up there. Getting back slowly but surely. Almost there, almost there. Pair secured. It is right here. Got wet because obviously it's raining super hard, but we got it. Well done. But yeah, let me show y'all the receipt here, how much we paid. Maybe you can see it, maybe not, but there you go, a little 15% off, $166 for the base size of washed pinks. You guys can see that pair right in there. Let's get reviewing. All right, so we are here out of my car after all the rain, all that. We're gonna get into unboxing the Jackie Robinson Air Force One in a second, but I wanna show you all the wash pinks that we got right here. So again, paid $166 total. We got the size 9W, my favorite size range to actually hold of these, or what is going to be my favorite size range to hold of the washed pinks, is 7W through 9W. So right on the end of where I'd wanna be holding, because if you go look at the denim Air Jordan 1, I see these performing very similar in the future. Stock wasn't super high today, it was like 50K, and I caught these at the outlet, so I was like, hey, any sort of discounted pair I can get, why not just like throw this into the inventory, hold it for the long term, since I'm not ever going to really lose money on this pair, and I don't see them restocking this one a ton. So again, we have the wash pink Jordan 1, the exact size from the monitor, just so y'all know they are 100% accurate. There is the 9W y'all saw that was pictured right there. So our monitors do not miss, and you guys can again get access to this and use this feature. Just check it out down below. All the other stuff will have free SEO for the Travis Air Jordan 1 lows coming up, so our monitors will be running for people for free, no extra costs. We can show you how to make extra accounts, get prepped for that release coming up. But yeah, really just want to show you all this shoe. Again, very clean. I love the design that we have going on this one, and we have kind of a gray pair coming out later this year as well. I believe that will be dropping in men's sizes. I could be wrong, but again, this is going to go crazy in my opinion. Once we get a little bit later down the line, I see this pair in particular, just a pink kind of suede Jordan 1, especially in those smaller sizes that the ladies would be going for. I see these making a lot of progress in the future. That's just one of the things I want to mention. So if you're holding sizes 7W through 8W, I don't feel like that is a bad bet. Just be patient. They will go down because they are Jordan 1, and they've been dropping at a lot of recent places, and just very happy to get my hands on these from the in-store monitor. I was thinking they'd be cooked, and someone was like, the second I walked in, someone was looking at them, but they set them down, so they must have not had had like a 15% off in-store discount or something, but I had the in-store discount, so I made sure I used that. And yeah, we got these for $160, so nice little easy flip, especially locally, but probably just gonna hold on to them because I want to get a couple more of these in smaller sizes to hold on to, because again, I think over the summertime we have a serious play right here, potentially not over maybe the summer, but around Christmas even. Just really nicely done Jordan 1. I mean, to get these for under retail, the materials, all that, just well done pair. So happy to have this one, and yeah, that's what we got going on. So Wash Pink Jordan 1, discounted price. That's what we do here in Hype Labs. Easy profit, has the box lid, all that, so I don't have to like flip the specific app. I can flip the StockX, local, Go, Alias, anywhere, and I have them in hand already. So I mean, that's making me more money having the sneaker in hand already. So just keep that in mind. Wash Pink ones, we got them straight from the outlet using the monitors. Don't sleep on us, so much coming up. And if you want to cop those Travis's coming up, again, we got free ACO for those on the way, so don't sleep. ACO is basically botters running for you, like running your Nike accounts to help you hit, and we have that added as a service free in the group, along with the monitors, giveaways, daily under market deals, all that. But aside from that, let's get into reviewing the Jackie Robinson Air Force One, since I know a lot of y'all may be watching this video for that in particular, but just want to show a little in-store cook real quick. That's what we do on the daily here. But we do have another cook straight from Hype Labs. Again, shout out to my ACO runners, very good at what they do, and we have a very nice size right here, a size 11 Jackie Robinson Air Force One loan. These went up in price a ton. I think right now they're sitting around $350. I ran these for I think like $270 or something in Hype Labs, so someone got a really good deal. Again, I'm sorry, I keep mentioning that. Just like I keep thinking about where I've been selling a lot of my recent pairs, and I do run most of them under market. The ones that I get, for the people that are in the group, and this is another one that I did recently, but a very good size. A lot of people are like, hey, yo, bro, in the bigger sizes, you should hold on to these, and I 100% agree. I mean, you got the embroidered 42 back here, kind of, again, that baseball ribbing. I think that might be what it's called. I think I'm wrong, but I could also just say the baseball lining. You can see that this is kind of resembling by the heel. Maybe y'all notice that, and then, of course, I believe that is supposed to resemble Jackie Robinson's colors that he was wearing when he was playing. I think I could be wrong on that, the blue and white that we have going on here, and of course, I know this is supposed to resemble maybe a baseball plate. I'm trying to think of what this detail in particular resembles, but I know a lot of details on the shoe are supposed to resemble, kind of like the baseball field, a baseball in particular, Jackie Robinson's number. I believe you have some quotes that are on the sneaker. No, I'm wrong, but they are on the Dunk Low. If you remember that, there's some quotes from him that are on the sneaker, and of course, we do have the embroidered beat right here on the sneaker as well. You can see that is on the front, kind of on the tongue tag. I believe that is on the other pair as well. I can show that to y'all, show that to you guys right now. I believe that is the same on both the pairs, but Nike really kind of I do want to mention one thing. Nike kind of dropped these out of nowhere. They really didn't let us know they were going to be doing something like this, and then they didn't really drop a lot of pairs of them. A couple skate shops got them, and it's really, really nice shoe. And obviously, one thing I want to mention about the Jackie Robinson Air Force Ones is if you're somebody that has a pair and you're like, hey, I'm not sure whether I want to hold on to them, whether I want to sell them, like what should I do with this pair? Here's personally what I'm going to say about the Jackie Robinson Air Force Ones. What I think about this pair for long term, I think it's a great bet. If you're somebody that is just like a collector, you buy a lot of shoes and you don't really look at the value, you're just like, yeah, this is a pair that I really love, and I know it's going to be more expensive in the future, so I'm going to get it now. I think that's the right mindset to have, because honestly, I see these making a lot of progress long term. Now, in the short term, they'll probably drop like $20, $30 or not really bounce from where they're at, but especially in those bigger sizes, this sneaker in particular is not a sleeper, especially long term. Anything, Jackie Robinson, I just feel like, when you use that big of a name, something as iconic as that, just in the future, you have a money shoe. You have something that'll be valuable. So definitely a sneaker that I've been, kind of considering, since I do have the Dunk Low version, so I've been considering maybe getting the Air Force One, but just kind of like match the collection, the set, if that makes sense. But overall, very happy to have these, have this pair in hand. I did sell this one, don't forget, this was for a member of the group. Someone got a great deal on that. Hopefully they'll wear it, or they'll sell it, and then be able to continue the reselling journey, whatever they want. That's really the goal, is helping out. And I believe we also have a phrase going around. Oh yeah, there you go, change the world, that is on the laces. You guys can see that. Very nice message to have as well on the sneaker. And then you have these bronze aglets or lace tips that you have on the sneaker as well. So it's a very, very well done shoe. And you can also see that you have this as well on the top of the sneaker, 1956, if I'm correct. I know Jackie Robinson, I think, retired around 1957, maybe 56. So I think that might be resembling the year he retired. I don't know. I don't think they would. It has to be another date because I think he retired in 1957. So I don't think that's what this is resembling, but it's a really, really well done shoe. Just want to show you all the details on this one right here, guys. So make sure you, if you want your pair now, I would say it's a good time to buy, to be honest. Because a year from now, they'll only be more expensive. I don't think they're going to be restocking these, redropping. It's a more or less a kind of like the Dunks, a more rare pair. And with the Dunks, they did a sneakers pass, a couple things like that, and they might do a sneakers pass with this sneaker. Keep that in mind. But I don't see the bigger sizes going down. No way. The stock was too low. It was like 13K on drop day. So Nike kept that one limited. And then also I can give you all a quick view of the Thunder 4s in hand. This is just a little size I had a couple days ago, but I've been waiting to show it on camera. This is like a 4Y, but again, very nice sneaker in hand. I'm loving how the Thunders have been hitting, and it looks a little bit different in hand. It's not as like bright and as yellow as you would think. It's actually a little bit nicer, and the kind of black and yellow contrast you have in the sneaker is really, really good. So again, grade school sizes for the long term. 5Y through 7Y, really good sizes to target. That's what I'm personally thinking. So it's just one thing I want to mention, but we do have the Thunder 4 right here, and I know a lot of people have been getting their shock drop pairs in. And one piece of advice I have is if you have your shock drop pairs, sell them before the main release, because the main release, it's not going to be super low stock from what I've heard. I mean, it's going to be fair. That's all I'm saying. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I need to mention. Again, we had a great outlet find. Very, very happy that I got the wash pinks today. Showed y'all a couple sneakers on camera. A little short vlog and unboxing video. So if y'all want more content like this, check me out down below. I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to check us out down below at Hype Labs. You want to cook more stuff in store, online, learn how to buy, get daily under market deals, clothing backdoors, free food codes, and so many other things we offer. I mean, we've been adding stuff, weekly, and that's really what we try and do. Improve the group for you guys to make it, as good, as best as possible for y'all. That's really the goal. So that's it. I'm Tristan. Thank you guys. See y'all on the wait list down below, and in the comments as well. If you have any questions, let me know your recent outlet finds, recent pickups from sneakers, any of that. I would love to hear it. And let's try to hit like 200 likes on this video. I think I said subscribe and like. If I haven't, let's try to like 200. That'd be great to do, and I'd really appreciate you guys if you could do that. But that's all. I'm Tristan. Thank you all, and hope to catch you all in the next video very soon. Peace.